We have the factory for 12 years, producing ceramic and 12 by 12 and 16 by 16s. And we have 120 employees, and we produce 7 million square meters per year. From that, 75% we sell domestically, and 25% we export. Our export business is mostly North America, Central America, Caribbean islands, Central America, some countries in Europe, and also some countries in Africa. We have mostly different products than the majority. That's why we have good results. Why? Because we have, for example, shiny products, 16 by 16s, 12 by 12s, and also rustics. We have geometrics. We have rough surface products, which we sell a lot mostly in the south of the United States. Caribbean islands, Central America, South America. So we have products that people really like and fits very well the demand, fits very well the taste of the majority of the people.